Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones SOUNDCORE P30i. You have to start by remove your headphones from the charging case. And after that, press and hold both of the headphones for at least 10 seconds. Cool. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device. Forget device. Also, if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device. And now click on it at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!